Hello and welcome to this quick access guide video about the Learning Center website. First, go to Rise and click on Useful Information and Links. Then, select Learning Center. Now you can navigate into the Learning Center website. For instance, start a search into the main search bar. Or click on All Resources if you want to see all the databases. If you want to search by resource types, you can also click on one of these items. Log into any database of your choice to access all resources at once. For example, try using the main search bar to log in. Launch your search with keywords. On this screen, enter your login. Now, enter your password. Then, click on UI if you're using a personal computer and want to stay logged in. You're now connected to all resources from the Learning Center. Next time, you can try connecting through another database with the exact same ID and password from the school. Thank you for your time.